Okay, we're ready for loaf number 2. Make sure there's no wet spots on the bottom. Brush off as much of the flour as you can. Okay, let's see. You can see some bubbles under the surface there. I think I'll go ahead and do a simple diamond pattern. Okay. Spray heavily again. And don't forget to turn your oven down to 450. Set your timer for 15 minutes. Okay, our 15 minutes is up now. I like to turn it around. Looks like we'll need another 15 to 20 minutes. Beautiful to me. Here's our third loaf. You can see if you press in gently that it will still fill out slowly. Oh, a little bit sticky there. This is nicely done, and if you use the same size or same amount, same weight of dough, each time you kind of get an idea of where it should be in your banneton. For me, if it was way up here, I would know that it was probably overproofed for 700 grams of dough. I think that I was trying to catch this one just a little on the downside of being fermented, because if you catch it on the side where it's slightly too fermented, that's just not good. Catching it on the other side where it, maybe could take a little bit more time, but not much. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's perfect, because then you get the greater oven spring. Let's see. What shall we do for this one? Let me move the camera over a little bit. Have some room. I think we'll just do a circle. Okay. Third loaf ready to go in. Sometimes when it's this burnt, this is why they look like this. I'll do this really fast. And I should have scraped it last time, but we're good. Spray it really heavily. And this is sometimes why I need something to get it off when I turn it, because it will stick sometimes. Put it back in there. Then 15 minutes. stuck. We'll leave it in for another 15 to 20 minutes. Here's the last loaf. Looks great. We did good. Okay, we have all 3 loaves done. And I think it was a great success. We did good. Need a sharper knife. Bit of a big hole there. Finished loaf. 68% hydration potato water loaf.